First, let me start off by saying congratulations to the St. Lucia police for putting up this poster of this bottom feeder. Now, I'm going to talk about him and some more things. So guess what? Let's go. Today, my wonderful friend, it's me again. The great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's a son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them I go on, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Now, people hear me talk about St. Lucia, and people might say, well, countryman this, countryman that, countryman acid and cowpat. But look at that picture right there. That's a guy by the name of Glenn Precious. Now, who is Glenn Precious? He is from a part of St. Lucia. They call it Grand Riviere. Now, my intel has brought this guy to my radar because he is one of the undercover super criminal. It was kind of hard for me to believe it because I'm saying a young man looked so well dressed, you understand, and looked so clean. Now, he had a job. He used to work for Sandals in Latak, and they fired him because he is a kleptomaniac. He stole all the food, bags of steak, fish, shrimp, you name it. He stole it from the Sandals Hotel. Yo, I'm laughing, but it's not funny. He stole bottles of rum. He stole white towels, toilet paper. Did I say chicken steak? Now, what brought him to my radar is my intel. And like I say, he looks unassuming, but this guy right here, he is wanted by the police. If you guys don't believe me, look at this picture right here and check this out. Now, look at that picture right there. A warrant of arrest for the first instance for the offense of importing controlled drugs, and a warrant of arrest in the first instance of to supply cannabis has been issued for Glenn Precious of Grand Riviere, Ghostlet. Now, this guy right here has been bobbing and weaving for years and years, you know. And it seems like the police they did a good job on this one. And they finally got him with something. But guess what? This guy is slippery. And that's why I'm gonna change his name. You know, I like to give them a new name. Now, it's because the way how this guy operates, I am gonna change his name to Batfink. This is Batfink, and that's your new name. Okay, let's get down into Batfink and him surrounded. Basically, what I am saying, me want the authorities them to check his mother house, check his son house. Now, him have a baby mother and she have a shop on her house. They need to check their house. Now, the mother house is 3 houses down from him, you know. You understand? And me I go repeat all of them things again. Now, that boy, Glenn Precious, him live a Grand Riviere. Him have a bag of people hide him. And me I go name them out. Him have people like XL. Him have people like Cow. Now, Zero, that's his son. You understand? You have Layer, you have Dean, you have TJ, and you have Porkshot. When you hear much people are hide the money, him is in an area where him have mad support. Now, all of them boy live in the same little area. So you see, those names that I am calling out, the police need to go check them out because they're working in conjunction with Batfink. I want to hear me, alright? Now, Batfink, him have a boss, you know. Believe it or not. And it's a well-known man in the public. And the boss, him have all of the drugs. And the boss man, him run a rent-a-car company. I know his name, but I am not gonna say his name. You understand? Now, you know what? As a matter of fact, hold up. Something just came in while I'm doing this, pertaining to this thing. You know what? I changed my mind. I'm gonna drop the name. Now, Batfink boss goes by the name of Bob, and he's well known and well connected. Bob has the rent-a-car company and have a whole bunch of other things going on down there in the Castries Basin. So Bob to the police up on the higher arm. You guys need to step out and put this bottom feeder away. The one we call Batfink. And you need to go check out Bob too. For Bob location, he is in Grand Riviere. And he is 3 houses down from Batfink. And let me tell you, law enforcement, that whole section right there, it's like a country within a country within a parish or a county to blow out. That little area where he's from, it's like its own government. So it's very hard to dig out this bottom feeder Batfink. So I'm just letting you all know that the network right there is very deep and it's not easy to penetrate. But for whatever it is, like I said, this guy here is wanted. Super criminal, kill, do all sort of stuff. Been getting away with it. You know what I'm saying? But he came on to the Countryman radar, and when I'm on to certain things, it definitely, pissed me off. And once that pissed me off, I'm going to let it be known. So, Mr. Batfink, your days are numbered, and I want to thank the St. Lucia police because I think y'all did a good job on getting this guy and putting his information out there. And that's like Donald Trump would have said, beautiful work, very beautiful work. Listen, more coming, there's part 2, because you see that little area right there, let me tell you, like me say, it's a country within a country, and there is part 2 and part 3 coming up. Now, there has been a couple different murders in the last couple of days, am on top of it. I'm gonna drop something on them murders. But there is a special incident where you have a group of guys going around, breaking into people's houses, and people are fed up and they're threatening to burn people's house down. All that I'm gonna drop in the next video. Now, gonna see how St. Lucia, St. Lucia is turn up. And let me tell you, the St. Lucian people are some nice people, you know. But them not back down from war. And that's how it is. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.